You don't get very many opportunities to have all the leaders in your field in one room to be able to bounce ideas off of them. And I've repeated several courses multiple times, and you always pick up nice pearls each time.
We're here for the Advanced Cervical course here at IPSIS. This is my second time taking this course in the last 10 years, and I learn something different every time. I've taken multiple courses with IPSIS, and it's always changed my practice. I feel like IPSIS has been there for me through my career to help us navigate best practices over time as technology changes and techniques change, and I really appreciate it.
It's been incredibly valuable working with experts in our field to hone in our skills, learn some nuances of various injections and techniques, and it really gives us the confidence to go back to practice and implement these for our patients.
I would say that I try to do about one interventional course a year with IPSIS, and I've attended the winter meeting and the national meeting, and they're all fantastic. They always have the best instructors and allow hands-on time, and I feel like I've just learned and also tailored my skills based on best practices, and as time goes on, things keep changing, and I learn the new best evidence-based ways of making sure that our patients are getting the best care. I love the courses.
Yeah. I'm Alexis Tracy. I'm from Ashland, Oregon.
I'm Faris Siddiqui from San Rafael, California.
I'm Elena Kwan from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
I'm Fort Miller. I'm a practicing physiatrist in Texas, so I highly recommend doing some courses.